All of you, keep your legs down. Keep the book on your desk. Kailina. Children, I don't like to call your names always. Keep your book open on a table. Those who cannot keep on the table, keep a pad and keep the book on top of it. Be comfortable, okay? The parents won't know you write everything. Kushagra, how are you? Still you need mama's help? No problem, because after 3 days. Take a new page. Okay, take a new page. Ma'am will tell you, it's very interesting. Now see, you just write EVS revision, complete the pair. It's not English, it's EVS. It's very, very interesting. It's about all animals. Everything is there. Just copy EVS revision, complete the, it's in your text. It is in your textbook, but now no need to see because I've collected from here and there and I made it into one paper, worksheet like. Please write this heading in a new page. In EVS revision, it's not for your test, but learn. For your next class, this may be useful. You can use this. EVS revision, complete the pair, write neatly. You must be comfortable when you write. Jane, please. Jane, settle fast, Jane, because ma'am will go to the next one. Mithilesh, I haven't seen you at all, Mithilesh. Lokesh, Mithilesh. Okay, Niral, can you see Niral? Anybody, when the presentation is not there, please.
No, ma'am.
No, you can't see. Let me see what's happening. Wait, 1 minute. Why this is happening, I don't know. Anyway, let's see, okay? Don't worry. Some problem. Now wait. See, children, see, at least he is telling. Can you see now?
Ma'am, the examples.
No. Can you see the heading? EVS revision,
Yes.
complete the pen. Yeah. Now we'll continue. Yes. Okay, can you see?
Ma'am, I cannot see.
1 second, what is happening now? 1 second, ma, 1 second. It's already... Children, don't do anything, okay? Let's go back. Just a minute. I don't know why, what's the problem, but let's see. Don't worry about it. Some technical issue, wait. Ma'am is presenting it, it's going off. Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Effie, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am. Still, I can only see the EVS revision screen.
Only that ma'am is showing. Did you write the heading?
Oh.
Did you write the heading? Children, I'm showing only EVS revision. Complete the pair. Have you written that? Then only I can go to the next one. Have you written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay. Let's go to the next one. Very good, Sanjay. Only that I'm showing, Baba. Okay, now let's go to the... Now, you don't write anything. We will learn what is it, then we'll write. Okay, don't write anything. You think nicely. I will ask you the questions. Don't write anything. If hen is to x, you know that hen will give x. Now, Pratika, not Pratika, Samantha, not there. Shashwata, Shashwata? Not there. Shama? Shaina?
Ma'am.
Yes, Shama.
Yes, ma'am.
Shama, hen will give you eggs. What do you get from cows?
Milk.
So you have to write like this. Please write it, children. Only the first one exactly like that. If hen...
Ma'am.
Who's that?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Tell me what you want.
Ma'am, what is the heading, ma'am?
Heading no need. You write this now. No heading. You write this because other children will be wasting their time if you come in between and ask this and that. Heading was there more than 5 minutes. Now please write this. Number 1. If hen equals eggs, then cows equal milk. Now, next child is Shashwata. Are you there? No. Shaina, please write one by one, leaving one line, children. The full sentence. Full sentence. Shaina, can you tell me the second one?
If lion, then snake.
Snake? What did you get from that?
Snake.
Listen, explain to me. Lions live in dens. You must call that. Then snake?
Then snakes live in holes.
Very good. Please write exactly like this. All mixed up and given. First one, what these animals give. Second one, where do they live? Lion den, snake hole. Please write these two. Don't be writing everything and keeping. Yes. Please write neatly. I will tell you the first 5, then I will check. Don't write more than that, only the first 5. Then we'll check whether you can finish. Thanvi K. Thanvi. Can you read the third one?
If July is monsoon, then February is summer.
Which season? No. Is it summer?
Yes, ma'am.
Spring. Understood? You can read the textbook and see later. Summer, April, May only come. Okay, April. Now wait. Spring. Okay. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Don't worry, children, because you are not having any touch with the book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. No problem. Now, till 5, ma'am will ask you. Only write the question and answer for the exactly like this. I want you to learn how to write when we are in class. Okay. Now, next child is Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read fourth one?
Mud and straw equal kacha house, then bricks and cement is pakka house, ma'am.
Pakka house, pakka. Kacha, pakka. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Please copy. Yes. Fifth one is for after Arush. Ahil number 5. Read Ahil. Computers. Ahil. Okay. Alan boy. Ma'am is
Yes.
screaming. Ma'am is
Yes.
screaming out and throat is paining. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Alan. Ma'am will talk softly. Alan, read fifth one, Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Computer.
Computer lab, then school functions.
We have functions in front of our school, no?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we call that starting with A?
Ma'am,
A,
assembly.
yes. Ah, very good. Assembly hall. It's not a, that is not assembly hall, that is an open space, but mostly we have one assembly hall on top. Okay, main hall like that, assembly hall. School functions, very good. Children, complete the first 5. Then only we'll go to. Don't be
Yes,
writing the
ma'am.
questions. Okay, good, Anne. Don't be writing all the questions and keeping, because the next will have next day only. We'll see whether we have time. If we have time, we'll continue. Write the 5 questions, then little while take rest, then write the answers. Yes, it will take time. Ma'am will wait. What happened, Ritik Pranav? Ritik? I think 6 and 7 also will write.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Okay, we'll complete that also, Ritik. Can you read the 6th one?
Okay, ma'am.
Sewage. That food is served in. Sewage. Sewage. Don't say sewage, sewage. Eid. Eid. That's it.
Then
Payasam when we drink.
Onam.
Nice. Swain. Eid. Payasam. Onam. Sewain. Swain.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now we'll complete 7 because you got enough time to write. Number 7 is Akhilan. And where are my sweet twins? Anandit or Archand, where are you? Anandit and Archand. No. Ashwant P. Ashwant. Cyrus. Cyrus. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Yes. Well, read 7th one, Cyrus.
If vegetables equals market, then money order in shops.
Where?
Shops.
No. Tell me the spelling. It's not clear.
SHOP. Shop.
No. Money orders from where do you get? Which office? Inland money orders, letters, postcards, all these from where do we buy? Where do money order from where do we get?
Post office.
Oh, yes. Post office, not that we are buying. We buy all other things, inland letters and all that. Postcards. Money orders, postman will bring from there. So where they keep? Post office. Vegetables from market. Money orders will come from post office. Only write this much neatly because you may not be able to complete. Slowly. Trideep, keep your legs down, ma'am. We started a class 9:45 only, no? We got enough time. Just write. Slowly, neatly write. Ma'am is not going in a hurry. Slowly write. You must not complain that your hands are paining. I'm not in a hurry. Whatever you write, neatly you write. I will wait for everybody. Okay. Even the last child can write, but you must write neatly. Don't make spelling mistake. Jeff, finish writing, Jeff?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll make one by one read. Now, the first three, Jeff, you read with the question and the answer. If equals,
And equals it, then cows equals milk. If lion, then equals 10, and then snake equals 4. If July equals monsoon, then February equals spring.
enough. Very good. Effie, read 4 and 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Computers, computer lab.
No, baby. 4 first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mud and straw, kacha houses, then bricks and cement, paka houses.
Very good.
Computer lab, then school functions, assembly hall.
Very good. Enough. Now, Tridip, read 6 and 7. Tridip.
Okay, ma'am, I will read
Yeah.
Eid,
Wait.
then Payasam, Onam.
Hmm.
If vegetable market, then money orders, post office.
Yeah, vegetable you get from market, money orders you get from post office. It's not buying. Okay, money orders postman will bring from the post office, and Sivain is the sweet you eat. I mean during which feast eat. Then payasam you will have it. Onam you have payasam after lunch. Okay, now let's see whether who's writing. John Matthew, did you write John?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one are you coming? I'm reaching. Sri
Ma'am,
Muklan, did you write?
ma'am.
Sri Muklan, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What about John? What about Jane? Jane, what about you?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
John, did you write or not?
I wrote, ma'am.
Okay. Jane, what about you, Ma?
I finished, ma'am.
Very good. Everybody finished so soon. Prajan, did you complete?
No, ma'am.
Right, ma'am, because- yeah, right. It will be difficult for you when you go back to recording, right from the screen itself. Because you won't be able to write it when you go to the recording, you'll have to worry everybody right now itself. Sri Mukilan, enough talking to everyone. Just read over, check all the spellings. Very happy. Sri Mukilan is very happy now. After the birthday, he's in heaven. Yes or no, Sri Mukilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you now in Coimbatore?
No, ma'am. I'm in Chennai.
Okay. Kanira, have you written, baby? Kanira, did you write?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have to wait for some children now. Let them write. Sanjay, write slowly. Yeah. Niral, have you written, Niral?
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Ma'am will wait. Don't worry. Write slowly. But you must write in it. Jeff, can you show me your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good. When you leave one line, it's very neat. Mukilan, show me your notebook. Good, Sri Mukilan. Sri Mukilan, you must write cursive, okay? During the holidays, you must sit and write cursive writing. All must choose a topic for your fancy dress. Whatever you're doing, you have to speak about it. Character. Okay. Everything 2 minutes. Don't tell 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because everybody will have to participate. I'm waiting for Niral, Sanjay and all that. When you finish, you must tell me.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Okay. Whenever you're free, you must read through all this, okay? This will help you a lot because it's from all the headings together we are just forming, okay? Now let's go back. If you leave one also, no problem. You can have it in your mind. Okay. Hen, eggs, cow's milk, lion den, snake hole, July monsoon, February spring, mud and straw, kacha house straw, bricks and cement, paka house. Computers we see in computer lab, school functions in the assembly hall. During Eid, we'll have Sivain, and during Onam, we eat payasam. We buy vegetables from market. We get money orders from post office. Let's see what is the next one. No need this one. Only this much we'll complete today, okay? Only one. You have to learn the spelling of all this because within 5 minutes you cannot write. Okay, now. Children, 1 second. Don't be writing all the time. How do you spend your day, Jeff? Can you speak to me? Can you speak about it? How do you spend the day now? Because still, you are having online classes. Yeah.
I will go play with my friends.
After class, what will you do? Will you play with whom?
Yes, ma'am. I will play with my little
Yeah.
sister, ma'am.
Yeah. And at home, what do you do? Like, do you keep your room clean? Settle all the books in order?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, ma'am. I'll always
Yes.
do that.
You trouble to your parents? Yes,
Oh,
little
ma'am.
bit. Little bit. Some children I can make out from the face itself. The ones who are giving trouble when they are in class itself, they'll be going on or showing the faces. Okay, Jane, have you written Jane?
Last line, ma'am.
Okay. How do you spend your day, Jane?
I see my friends, I play downstairs. Then I come home, I study for some time.
Yeah.
I keep my books clean. I play with my toys.
Yes. You can watch TV, cartoons, and all that. Not always, because
Yeah, eating time I'll watch.
yeah, because you're doing online classes, children. You're tired of looking into it and all. But still, I'm very happy all are there. Only few children are missing. Never mind. Anyway, and I don't want to give you trouble. You may tell ma'am is giving a lot of work, hand is paining. No, only 7 questions. Whatever you write every day, you just keep in your mind, in your memory. Okay. Okay then. Then what else now? Anything you want to share with me? Trideep, what about you?
Ma'am, after my class, I will play with you. When the class is over, I will play with my sister, ma'am.
Where is your sister? Cousin.
And I do drawing sometimes, ma'am, and go to play at the evening and study for sometimes.
Yes, you have to draw. You must not leave that good habit. Okay, draw. You draw so many pictures, then color. Start coloring. Don't do kacha mucha coloring with sketch pen. You should not use. Okay, you must use pencil. Effie, what about your day? Thank you, Trideep. When do you get
Thank you,
up?
ma'am.
From the time you get
Yes.
up, you must tell me.
Okay, ma'am. I will get up in 8 o'clock. Then I will come to class. After class, I will play with my brother. And after I play with my brother, I will do some drawings. Then I go down and play with my friends. And sometime I will watch TV. Then I do my homework. And I help mom. And then I go to sleep in the night.
Very good. Very good. What about Sri Mukilan? Sri Mukilan will have many people to help you. Now, what time do you get up every day? Sit and speak. Sit. Sri Mukilan, sit and speak. Alan, what about you? I'm asking Sri Mukilan to tell about a day, how he spends and all that. He's not telling. Alan, speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I draw pictures.
What time do you get up?
Ma'am, I will read Bible Ma'am, then I will play with my sister.
Hmm.
Then after online classes, I draw pictures.
Hmm.
I will watch TV.
Do you give trouble to your parents?
No, ma'am.
Must give little bit talent. Otherwise, no, they won't help you. Then you're not eating at all this time.
Then I will eat my lunch. Then I will sleep.
Okay, very good, children. I'm happy that you're able to talk and you're sharing with all your friends what you're doing. Now please leave the classroom, okay? Take a break, then come back for maths. Okay, children, good children.